but for real though, like, you know, that's when she knew it was real though, when I got the shipment in though. You know, cause you know, my girl, she was like, you know, I know some guys that had some CMOS and you would make jam, but you know, it wasn't like yours. So she had just seen the videos of me with the grenade, you know what I'm saying? You know, a lot of people, they be lying to y'all, you know what I'm saying? Marketing schemes, you know, telling people that they getting it from this source and they really getting it from somewhere else for a cheaper price at a lower quality, you know what I'm saying? But they're showing and they're promoting that they're sourcing it from the top brands and the most reliable sources, but in reality, they don't, you know what I'm saying? They not keeping it, you know what I'm saying? That's why it's so important. Like, anyway, my girl seen I got that big shipment in. I got like a 10, 15 piece in one time, purple. She like, ooh. Like, yeah, I mean, it was, you know, I say that to say it's much more liberating just keeping it real with yourself as an entrepreneur instead of trying to get over just for $1, you know what I'm saying? Like, because the more you keep it real with yourself, the more you're going to keep it real with your clients. You know what I'm saying? That's why it's so important that you embody what it is that you do. Entrepreneurship is about embodiment. A lot of it is just embodying, because a lot of people, they buy more into you than they do the product. You know what I'm saying? Word. But nah, that purple CMOS though, when my girl seen the purple CMOS, that's when she knew it was real. For real. That's when she knew it was real. She knew it was real, yo. Like, man, she was like, though, my husband got the purple, he getting the purple in like that. Were those directly from divers? Still on the net? Like, I seen the video, but to see it in real time coming through customs, that's a flex, man. That's a flex, man. I'm telling you, it's the thing. What's so important about being authentically you is the freedom that you feel throughout your existence to be able to express, to be able to communicate, to be able to master the art of communication, because you know you're not lying to yourself. So if you're not lying to yourself, it's manifesting outside of you, which is truth. Everything is, you're living within truth within yourself at peace. So you're going to be giving the truth out to people in peace. You know what I'm saying? So if you're communicating like that within yourself, especially as an entrepreneur, then you're going to be able to communicate your message and your service to humanity properly, because that's what's going on inside of you. Living within the vision is literally embodying what it is that you are desiring to manifest. Like, that's the recipe, is becoming what it is that you want. It's a challenge. It's a challenge. Constantly becoming is a challenge, because you have to stay loyal to who you must become.